We are now ready to input our manure application event. We will select the click here to add a new manure application record. We will then have to choose where the manure for this application will come from in this example. First, we will have to choose a site. For this example, we will pick Mike's Sow Farm. And then we will choose the manure source from Mike's Sow Farm. For this example, we are choosing the acclimation building. This brings up our interactive mapping page. You can see we have selected Mike's Sow Farm, and the manure source will be the acclimation building from the sow farm. We can see that the maximum application rate is 3,600 gallons. You're then given the choice of who will be applying manure. In this example, we are going to select Johnson Custom Ag. In this example, the manure was applied October 31st, 2009. There was not a stockpile destination as the manure was hauled directly to the field. We did not use a drag line. ManureWorks is able to calculate the maximum amount of manure in two ways. It will count loads knowing the capacity of each load for a total manure volume. You can input the total volume of actual application amount. Either way, ManureWorks will record your amount of manure applied. For this particular example, we have applied 200,000 gallons of liquid hog manure from the acclimation building. The manure was incorporated into the field the same day as manure application. The soil condition was damp. We followed our standard setbacks in the field. We are now ready to select where we have applied manure. ManureWorks software has two ways of recording spreading data. We can click on the interactive map where manure was applied. For this particular example, we applied manure on the south part of the application field. We simply click on the outline of where the manure was applied. When you finish mapping your manure application area, you can see we covered 56.41 acres and we applied 3,545.471 gallons per acre.